Hey, what's up guys? Today we're talking about how to lose fat in 7 days. Specifically from the belly, the love handles, the arm fat, the face fat, and we're gonna do it with 5-minute home. You know what? This is nuts. I stumbled upon a video, guys, and it said that you can lose belly fat in 7 days by doing 5-minute home workouts. And I gotta be honest, it kind of pissed me off. So I have to make this video for you guys on how you can lose belly fat every single week, but in 5 minutes or less of planning on how to do it the right way. And I'm gonna talk to you today about things you can do every day that only takes 5 minutes or less to guarantee fat loss, specifically on the belly, specifically in all the places that you hate the fat you have. Let's jump into the video. We're gonna give you the real, no BS truth, so you have to stop watching all that nonsense. Let's go. Okay guys, so let me be real with you. Belly fat, all the places that you hate, right, that carry fat, the belly, the love handles, the lower back, the arms, the face, whatever. This is stubborn fat, and it's not going to go away in 7 days. It's just not. However, you can start to understand how to set up a plan that will guarantee that fat in those areas goes away at some point in the near future. The bottom line though, to start the whole process off, is understanding that a pound of fat, okay, 1 pound of fat on your body is equal to 3,500 calories, okay? So what does that mean? In simple terms, you gotta find a way, if you wanna lose a pound of fat a week, to burn 3,500 calories more than you eat over the course of the week, which means, on average, about 500 calories a day of being over in terms of how much you burn than what you eat, okay? That's a simple math around fat loss, and most people don't understand that. So of course it's easy to fall for the BS marketing out there that tells you can lose fat in 7 days by doing 5-minute workout. Nonsense. There's no way that's gonna happen. But what you can do is you can start planning out your calories so that you are burning more calories than you eat, so that you start to trim down that fat, okay? So step number 1, plan your calories. It takes 2 minutes of your day max, maybe even less. We'll call it a minute. Plan your calories out, make sure you're eating the right amounts, and that your meals contain sufficient amounts of healthy protein and nutrients to be able to support your training, to be able to support your goals. I've done so many videos on this topic. I'll link to a few below in the comments, but just make sure that you're taking a minute every day to ensure you're hitting your calories. Let's go on to step number 2. All right, so step number 2 in our 5-minute plan to lose belly fat. Make sure you're filling up your water bottle, okay? I know it's easy to forget and it's easy to leave at home, or if you're at the office, it's easy to just set it and forget to drink water. But so many people would benefit from just drinking more water every day. Whether it's 10 million gallons like I'm holding here, or a gallon a day. Either way, make sure you're drinking enough water. The best way to figure out if you're drinking enough water is take a look at your pee color. Yes, it's disgusting. I'm so sorry. But if your pee is a slight tint of yellow, right? Just a slight tint, you are well hydrated. Don't let yourself get darker than that. And if you're way light, if you're just like crystal clear, you're probably drinking too much. But most of us don't have that problem. So just carry a water bottle with you, refill it throughout the day. Drink 16 ounces of water before every meal. It makes things easy. Drink more water. It takes less than 30 seconds a day. Let's go on to tip number 3. Okay, so if you don't schedule your workouts, they're not gonna happen, right? So every single week before you start your work week, before you have to take the kids here or there, before you gotta be in this place or that place, schedule your workout times. Make them non-negotiable, all right? This might mean you have to get up a little earlier to get it done. Might mean you gotta stop doing something that you know you shouldn't be doing later in the day and get your workout done. Either way, put it on your calendar. Make it an agreement with yourself. This takes 20 seconds to look at your calendar and go, oh, I have 3 spots of 30 minutes here, here, and here. Workout, 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 done, okay? Yes, this does take a little bit of effort to actually do the workout, but at least you got it on paper. If it's not planned, it's probably not gonna happen. So plan out your workouts, when you're gonna do them, where you're gonna do them, and then hey, if you need help learning how to work out, we have plenty of videos for that. I've linked a few in the description below so you can start checking out full workouts that we put together if you need some ideas. Let's go on to the last tip. Okay, so last tip. Look, if all you got is 5 minutes, a 5-minute home workout is better than nothing. So I'm not gonna completely destroy all these clickbait titles out there that tell you, oh, you can lose body fat in 5 minutes a day. No. That is pure trash, but there is a time and place for these quick workouts. And I would say they're on days where, heck, you have a free little time window and all you got is 5 to 10 minutes and you're like, I don't want to sit around doing nothing. Let me get something done. Boom, knock out that 5 or 10 minute workout. Because like I said, little things like that can add up over time. It's compound interest, right? You start doing more activity, more movement. All of a sudden, a year from now, you've added up a lot of extra time of training, and that can help a tremendous amount when it comes to losing fat, losing belly fat, and staying in shape. So don't knock it, but just use it the right way, all right? That's it. Let's finish up the video. All right, so if you made it this far in the video, I have a free gift for you. It's our Look Good Naked guide, and it gives you a whole rundown, 20 plus pages on how to set up your diet, your workouts, the whole 9 yards to lose belly fat and get in the shape you want to be in. Just go to lookgoodnaked.co and you can check it out. So if you are looking for a full-blown transformation program, our transformation system focuses on 5 key pillars that we've talked a little bit about today: mindset, muscle, movement, macros, and meaning. If you want the whole system, go to thetruetransformation.com and you can check out how we coach people to get in the best shape of their life. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. I promise I'll try not to do too much clickbait, but thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. Josiah Novak, thetruetransformation.com. I'm out. Peace.